Welcome back, fellow seekers of manifestation and positive energy. Today, we are diving deep into the realm of the law of attraction and exploring an intriguing technique known as the 369 Tesla method. This method, popularized by the legendary inventor Nikola Tesla, is believed to enhance the manifestation process and amplify the results. Join us as we uncover the secrets of the 369 Tesla method and how it can potentially revolutionize your manifesting abilities. Before we delve into the 369 Tesla method, let's briefly recap the law of attraction. According to this universal principle, like attracts like. Our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs shape our reality, and by focusing on positive intentions, we can attract corresponding experiences into our lives. The 369 Tesla method is rooted in the wisdom of Nikola Tesla, one of the greatest inventors and visionaries of all time. Tesla believed that understanding the power of numbers was crucial for unlocking the secrets of the universe. He stated, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe." Decoding the 369 Tesla method. Step 1. The power of 3. In the first step, you focus on your desire or intention and write it down 3 times in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Repetition of your intention helps to reinforce its importance in your subconscious mind. Step 2. The magic of 6. Next, you dive deeper into the process. Take the intention you wrote down in Step 1 and expand it into a more elaborate statement. Write this new affirmation 6 times in the morning, afternoon, and evening. This step allows you to clarify and amplify your desire. Step 3. The mystical 9. In the final step, you supercharge your manifestation by writing a powerful statement of your intention 9 times in the morning, afternoon, and evening. This repetition creates a strong vibrational frequency that aligns your energy with your desired outcome. Enhancing the 369 Tesla method. Visualize and feel. As you write down your intentions, visualize and feel the desired outcome as if it has already manifested. Engage all your senses and tap into the emotions associated with achieving your goals. Consistency is key. Practice the 369 Tesla method consistently. Make it a part of your daily routine to reinforce the manifestation process. Gratitude and detachment. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude for what you already have and release any attachment to the outcome. Trust that the universe will bring what is truly aligned with your highest good. Real-life success stories. Explore real-life success stories of individuals who have employed the 369 Tesla method to manifest their desires. Discover the incredible transformations and manifestations they have experienced through consistent practice and unwavering belief. Final thoughts. The 369 Tesla method offers a unique approach to enhance the law of attraction, leveraging the power of numbers and intentional repetition. By engaging in this method with focus, consistency, and belief, you can align your energy with your desires and witness the magic of manifestation in action. Remember, you are the creator of your reality, and the universe is ready to co-create with you. So why not embrace the 369 Tesla method and unlock your true manifestation potential? Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Share and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content on the law of attraction, manifestation techniques, and personal growth. Remember, the power